Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms attributes. Alright, then we'll be discussing about the HTML form target attribute of _self. So the submitted result will open in the current window. So I'm going to show you how this goes. So let's quickly do this. Back to our, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial. Let me remove this. Let's now say, let's check the code. Here is the code. Let's remove this target value of blank right here. We want to know the default target value without specifying any target yet. Let's know the default. For you to understand what we are doing here, I will advise you to watch our HTML forms tutorial so you can be able to follow along, because we have a lot of cool things going on there. So let's write ayofe and submit. Can you see it's taking us to the inside file, and this is on the current page, right? And definitely this is the default target, right? The default target is going to display on that particular current page. So let's now specify target _self. Maybe the target _self will do something different. Let's submit it. Can you see? Definitely the default target attribute is the target _self. So whenever you are using your target inside your HTML form, so the default target value is self, which is going to display the whatever content the script is going to run the script on inside that main. It's going to open the script in the current window that you have. As you can see, this is our current window right now, and when we click this submit, it's going to run the script on this current window also. So if it's going to take us back, we don't know, but we just know that it's going to run the script, and it's going to send it to the script, and it's going to do everything on this current window. So that's the target value of self. That's why we can use self, but this one, because it is the default, I don't think is needed anymore. We can use another one in later future, but just know that the self is the default. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next. Bye bye.